Urungami gwa kagita barabara-ini ya Meru gwita Maua nyuma ya Aritwa ba Meru University kuinga barabara eu bakimeneria kuragwa kwa umwe wao kuririkana kuri na muritwa uramuntirwe kimindo mwanka gukwa ni baraba kwirikana ni amba onto butigite Aritwa baba na Muthuuro jo munene. Aritwa baba nande ni bakuria thirikari ya county kubekira mataja kuthari utuko barabara-ini ni kenda kunyia makarika ja wagagia ni bachokete borota borithi Nchiru bakiuga ni athao kere kurikithia na kinya gukinyaniria ukaria ni nthuranirite rugonuru.
Comrades justice! Justice! Comrades justice! Justice! Comrades justice! Justice!
Baune Aritwa bakuma University ya Meru barabanda manete muthenya jwanarwa na kugitario tumiribwa barabara ya Meru gwita Maua gitumi niki.
We are agitated because we lost a friend to a comrade out of robbery with violence, and these things have become rampant in this area. It's the area of the university and students are being attacked, and this is not the first time, and that's why students are angry. Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! So we are here to address the MP of this area, Tigania West. We are here to address the governor of this county, Mwangaza.
One of us was killed yesterday, was brutally murdered, was stabbed to death. Yes, comrades power. There's our fellow comrade mwenye ameuliwa, na kama ameuliwa hapo kuna mwingine pia atauliwa hapo, right? It is high time as a comrades to oppose its totality. Leaders want to come in with the dictatorship, right? These are perennial perpetrators of corruption in the house of justice who want to perpetuate the culture of impurity, yes, and acquire power. Unaona? Hatuwezi kubali ujinga nafanyika hapa.
Aritwa baba riuga thenere anene bagukurukira ne wagagia bokaria.
The root cause of these insecurities is because we lack lights. We lack light. Comrades power. Power. We lack light along the Meru-Maua highway. Comrades power. Power. And these lights should be from Kaide to Kirindini. Comrades power. Power. From Kianjai and Nchiru with its environs. We should have lighting all over where students reside. Comrades power.
Power. Ya kwanza, security. Ya kwanza, ya security. Ya pili, security. Ya tatu, security.
Bagita na mbere kumeneria gikukia umwe wao ne bakuria thirikari ya county ya Meru amona kinya thirikari nene gutigira ne bagwikirwa mata.
Until when shall lights of our comrades be held? Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! It is an end. We are calling today an end to the killing of our comrades. Comrades power! Power! Comrades power! Power! And we request the government. It is not even requesting. We are demanding for the government to instill everything that we need for comrades success. Comrades power! Power! Comrades power!
Mwangaza, Governor Mwangaza. Kuja angaza Nchiru. Kuja angaza the street that the comrades are using. Kuja angaza all the streets from Kaide. Jambo ya pili. The security that we are having around the Nchiru police station. Tafadhali, hawa watu wafanyi kazi. It is high time for the county government to ensure that there is street lights kutoanzia kwa gate mpaka huko chini Maskani. Unasikia? Amanazi comrades, we are going to strike no matter what until justice ifanyike, sawa? Yes.
Nkurukini bathirite borithi barabara gituone kya borithi kya Nchiru batigwitanguge uria kubati.
Our fellow comrades are being robbed. Comrades power. We are having thieves. Comrades power. And the policemen at Meru University have not taken any case. Comrades power. We've reported several cases. And they are doing nothing. Comrades power.
We are also addressing the police station at Nchiru. The level of incompetence we wanted to change. We want them to serve for our security. Comrades power.
Kagite ne ukau borithi ne batumire teargas kwa Aritwa barabara barungamiria ugendi gwa Kagita amona kinya biashara cha thoko ya Nchiru ntere cha NKOMO Tigania West.
Comrades power. Comrades power. Comrades wisdom.